Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show you brown girl's makeup guide to conceal those nasty dark circles. So the first thing you must do is applying an eye cream. Now it is very important that you moisturize and hydrate the area around your eyes, because this is going to make sure that your makeup stay intact and your concealer don't crease and they look healthier. Now as you guys see that I have very bad dark circles, so it is very essential that you pick the right shade of concealer for you. Also, just make sure that your concealer must have an orange undertone so that it can cancel out the darkness around the eyes or anywhere you have pigmentation on your mouth. I am applying the concealer to my problematic area, and this is the shade Caramel. It works amazingly for me. It not only helps in concealing my dark circles, but it also helps in just highlighting my face. It blends beautifully, guys, and I always make sure that I use brush to blend out my makeup, especially my concealer, guys, because this way it is not gonna crease out and it will look more smooth. Also, we Indians tend to have dark circles, so if you do not want to go for color correction, if you have very bad dark circles, I would recommend you guys to go for a color corrector, which is going to be orange shade or a peach shade. Otherwise, a concealer which is going to be same as your skin tone or a bit darker is going to work beautifully for you. Now I am gonna be using a compact, and this is by Kiro's Timeless Matte Compact, and this is from their Botanico range. It is India's first naturally derived makeup range, and the best part about this is it has skincare properties, guys. It is infused with goji oil, grapefruit extract, sunflower seed oil and maracuja oil, which has vitamin C, vitamin A and antioxidant properties, which helps in protecting you against harmful UV rays, and it also helps in hydrating your skin and locks in the moisture. Isn't it amazing, guys? It is going to give you an excellent finish. It has a buildable coverage. Also, it gives you that airbrush matte finish. It is waterproof. Also, just a bit of blush on the cheek is going to give your cheek a very flushed look, which I absolutely love, guys. After that, I will make sure that I apply it all over my face because it has a little bit of coverage, and the buildable coverage is excellent, guys. After that, I'm gonna apply a nude shade on the lips. Now this is gonna be your everyday makeup look, so you need a nude lipstick which complements your skin tone. So this is just the right shade for me, guys. Also, now we are gonna be moving on to eyes. I am gonna take a highlighter. A liquid highlighter works best for me because it doesn't stand out too much but still make you glow beautifully. So I'm gonna apply it all over my lids and on the high points of my face, like my cheek, my nose, and yeah, I'm gonna just blend it out with my fingers, and it is gonna take a while. So yes, make sure that you are working through it. Blend everything out beautifully, and I still cannot get over the fact that how beautiful this compact has made my skin look. After that, just a bit of smoky kajal on the lids, smudge it out, and I'm gonna be good to go. Now we are gonna be moving on to mascara, guys, and I will be using Botanico Super Shield Mascara. Again, it is gonna be from Kiro, and it has 99% naturally derived ingredients. Isn't it amazing, guys? It is ophthalmologically tested, it is curling and volumizing. It is waterproof and intense black color. Also, it has avocado oil, calendula oil, sunflower seed oil, which helps in give you darkened eyelashes. It helps in nourishing your lashes also. And the best part is, guys, cherry seed oil has vitamin A, which helps in preventing lash breakage. So yes, the favorite mascara which I was using before breaks my lashes. So yes, this is the products I really wanted to emphasize on and talk about. Here we are done with the makeup look, guys. I absolutely loved how these products worked out for me. Can you look at my lashes? Take a moment and appreciate how beautiful they look. I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below, guys. Also, Kiro is PETA certified, toxin free, vegan and paraben free. This is the first time I've used makeup with skincare, so don't forget to check them out. I'll see you guys super soon. Until then, take care.